Good day everyone, I'm going to clap the rhythmic activity number 1 to 7 this time. Okay, let's start with activity number 1. Rhythmic and reading activity number 1. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, rhythmic and reading activity number 2. This is in 2/4 time signature. So there are 2 beats per measure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Next, rhythmic and reading activity number 3. This is in 4/4 time signature. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Next, we have rhythmic and reading activity number 4. Okay, ready? This is in 4/4 time signature. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, rhythmic and reading activity number 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Next, rhythmic and reading activity number 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Next, last, we have rhythmic and reading activity number 7. This is in 2/4 time signature. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.